unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
Misfires at idle can be caused by several issues, but are often due to problems with the ignition system, fuel system, or vacuum leaks. Spark plugs, ignition coils, and fuel injectors should be checked and replaced if necessary. Vacuum leaks, which can lead to improper air-fuel mixture, should also be inspected. It's important to address these components as they directly influence the engine's ability to operate smoothly at low RPMs. For accurate diagnosis, consider using a diagnostic scanner to read any trouble codes that could guide you towards the specific issue.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.